Post-Courier article of Monday, September 29, 2025. Court throws out PANGUNA lawsuit. Landowners ordered to pay costs. In a major legal setback for PANGUNA landowners, the Waigani National Court has dismissed their class action lawsuit against Rio Tinto Limited and Bougainville Copper Limited, the developers of the PANGUNA gold and copper mine, and ordered them to pay costs on an indemnity basis. The lawsuit, filed in June 2024, sought damages for alleged environmental destruction, human rights violations, and cultural losses stemming from the operation of the Bougainville copper mine between 1971 and 1989, as well as its subsequent abandonment. The lead plaintiff, Martin Ronald Miriori, pursued the case for himself and on behalf of over 5,000 landowners, alleging negligence and breach of constitutional rights. They sought millions of kina in damages. The defendants, Rio Tinto and its subsidiary Bougainville Copper, denied the claims and filed motions to dismiss. But the court went further, exercising its discretion to dismiss the case in its entirety, declaring the action an abuse of process. The court focused mainly on two primary issues: whether the plaintiff's legal representation was properly qualified under PNG law, and how customary land rights under the matrilineal system affected the standing to sue. In his ruling, Justice Thomas Annis examined whether the foreign-based law firm engaged by the plaintiffs, Morris Manili Pty Limited, from Sydney, Australia, qualified as a lawyer under Papua New Guinea's Lawyers Act 1996. The court determined that for a law firm to be recognized as practicing law in PNG, it must be admitted under local law, a requirement that Morris Manili had not met. The law obligates that a person or entity representing others in legal proceedings must be properly admitted to practice in this jurisdiction, Justice Annis affirmed. Engaging a foreign law firm without admission automatically gives the landowners no proper representation. The court further noted that customary ownership structures, particularly matrilineal ones, must be properly proven. However, the plaintiffs failed to establish that they had the right legal standing to bring the case forward under PNG's constitutional and customary frameworks. Justice Annis concluded that the ultimate landowners of the mineral site are the traditional landowners, and unless they properly authorize legal actions, any litigation stands void. As a result, the landowners were ordered to pay costs on an indemnity basis.